What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you had a terrific weekend. We're going to go over our friend Gala Games. We're sitting at 0.06315, up 4% on the day. Market cap 1.93 billion, 24 volume 226 million. Quickly plug my signals. Just post the weekly results. 8 wins, 3 losses. Juicy 218% profit. The week before that, we had 18 wins, 1 loss for a juicy profit of 1,155%. I'm also doing 100x sniper. I also have 50x sniper, 100x sniper. You can gain free access to my signals at the end of the video. So Gala, nice reaction from our wave 2 target zone. We've been taking some juicy trades over the last week on Gala, long and shorts, and I've been doing well there. So we have a nice starting to create a 5-wave move off the low. So if we continue to put in a higher high, that's more confirmation. We see a pullback and then continuation up in the wave 3 that can take you in between 0.091 and 10 cents for our friend Gala Games. If we just roll over, we create a lower low, it is what it is. But right now we are putting in that bullish confirmation, signaling that we could push up in the wave 5. And of course, the weekly chart, as I've been covering, is sitting within this bull pennant with the EMAs catching back up to the candles on the weekly with the bullish cross. So I do think we'll break out and see that continuation up to about 13-14 cents, which is the target of the flag, the bull pennant. So that's it for this one, guys. Quick update: if you want completely free access to my juicy trade signals for crypto and forex, all you have to do is sign up to BTCC. No KYC, no VPN, all around the world, including North America. Grab those bonuses, 10% back on your fees with a sign up through my link, top of the comments. If you don't want to go that route, it's $10 a month. Sign up to the Patreon. My daily crypto analysis, my exact trade setups. Currently, we're in a trade for Solana. There's TP4 on Gala. We took a sold short, hit TP3, and right now we're in a sold long. 50x sniper, 100x sniper, 4x signals, all completely for free with the sign up and deposit to BTCC. We have about 3,000 members in the Discord. Or sign up to the Patreon link. All links down below. Smash up the like button. See you in the next one. Much love. Take care.